Hello, this is Janusz. In this video, I want to show how we can modify a report, PDF report generation, customize it for our needs. I've got example in this database. So let's go to the typical report generation. So first, you must have the report prepared before. For this example, I have it. Maybe I show the report. It has to be here in the report section. The report is already generated, defined somehow. And for this case, I will use this report to demonstrate other things. So typically we can use run option. So I am pressing the button and I am having the report. So inside this button there is properties run reference to the report. Other option which is completely equivalent generates the same report. This is to use on click button, input button on click with the custom code and report fr1 to generate the report. So how to modify in the simplest way? We can use this function which was here, the NU report, and to modify it for our needs. So we can modify, or the best way is just to make a copy of this function with different name to which we can refer later. So where the function NU report is located. So here I am in the folder of my nuBuilder database. It's called Arduino database because it's used as well for some other purposes. So the function is defined here in the nuIAX JavaScript. So we can see how the function look like and try to find this function. Okay, and it is here. So you can see function and run a report, and this function is here. So what is important? This function refers to nrun pdf php. So the best way is just to copy this function, give different name, to copy nrun pdf to the new file with different name, and later on this two, let's say, functions, we can test, modify our report as we want. So where to put this function nrun pdf? So this function can be placed in the header, header of our nuBuilder. So I have it here. So this is the copy of the function. I called it nureport2. And I am referring to nrun pdf to php. So later in my code, I can use nureport2. And now let's go to the folder of my database. cd call. And here you can see I have already example nrun pdf2. So let's look inside this function, this file. Okay, and here I did two modifications. I will find them quickly. So one of the modification is that my PDF will be downloaded directly to the folder on my PC. What we have in the examples I showed before, it is just open on the screen. If I would like to have it saved once again, so it is here. So then I can make save and to download it with some name. Okay, and now I would like to have it saved on my folder on my PC with the specific name. This name I can transfer from PC to the PHP to the server with the cookie, for example. Yeah. And later I need to store this file on the server. So this is the F. Yeah. And later download to the PC, and finally to delete from the server, not to keep, all the temporary files I generated on my server. Another modification I did is, for example, I would like to add a logo to the report I generated. So after the PDF add page, I can define just the image and the localization of my image on the file I generate. So I have a catalog photo on the server, and from this file I will just use the image and place it on my PDF. Yeah. So this is all what I modified and in my run PDF to PHP. Okay. So now coming back to uh, how to use it. Yeah. So here, where is the function? Under this button, I will go to properties, custom code, and you can see. Yeah. So PDF cookie name, I am transferring the name of the report I would like to use for the file. Yeah. Later, I am having as well some other options, like for example, there is report with some date, so I can put start date, end date, the report name. So all this data I need to just take from my form, and to generate the report. So here I am using the NU report to FR1, referring to the report, and in fact that's all. Yeah. And here is the example. I am just pressing this button. As you can see, my file is downloaded to the PC. It is already saved on my PC with the name payment. Afterwards, I am putting some unique ID to be sure that every name is different. If I am not using this, then it will just be overwriting the previous files. And if I do open file, you can see there's my form with some logo. Yeah. Okay. If I would like to have a different name, so for example, I can put my file. Yeah, my file, and putting the generation, and you can see my file. Yeah, for example, my file 2. Yes, and it works my file 2. And every time I open it, I have proper name given with the logo I define. Okay, thank you very much.